And check it out, guys. Baby horses right here, right by side of the road. Look at that. Hey guys, how's it going? You guys are handsome and cute. I assume that's mama, and I assume that's papa, mama, the babies. Look at him, he's scratching himself on that pole.
Oh. He's like, Mama, here comes a big, scary looking man.
This one's cool though.
I want to pet it.
Go. Yeah, go. Look, it looks like it needs to scratch. So maybe if you scratch it, you'll do it some good.
Hi, baby. Maybe not. Alright, I won't traumatize it.
Little baby horses, isn't that cute?
They're wild baby horses.
They're leaving. I don't want to bother them. But yeah, Wales, guys. South Wales. Beautiful. And check this out, guys. Look how close to the road they just lounge and just hang out. Check it out. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at him. Gotta be careful driving these Welsh streets, especially in the Brecon Beacon area, because you don't want to hit one of these babies. Made it to the car park here to go check out the 4 waterfalls. This is it. You park. You pay £5. The place is right here where you pay, and then you go on your hike, which is about 5.2 kilometers, they said. So you guys will be checking that out soon, hopefully, if my camera doesn't die during that. But yeah, you'll pay right here and then be on your way. Stay tuned. On the trail to the Brecon Beacon 4 waterfalls. That's all I need for my hiking experience. The one thing I like most about, well, one of the things I like most about hiking is the smells. Oh my god. All this oxygenated air. Beautiful. What's up, all my US people? Did you guys think that Wales look like this? I mean, I heard about it, and I'm experiencing it. Beautiful. This type, who knows? Who can tell me what type of plant this is? It was very popular in Scotland too. Whether when I was in Loch Lomond, I went up to that little hill in the middle of the ocean, and I saw a lot of this. What is it? Where all my botanists at? Is that what they call you guys? The no plants, botanists? Right now, let's stop so we can just hear the beautiful sounds of nature. Isn't that beautiful? I miss hearing this. And we don't have this in Ibiza.
No.
This reminds me of Northern California. Mendocino County. One of the most beautiful places in the world. I think I can actually hear the waterfalls already too. So we are nearing the waterfall. I can hear it. I hope it's not underwhelming, because I know the northern part of Montana, and let me tell you, we got some really nice waterfalls there. So, but let's see what this one is like. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is this way, huh? I think it's this way.
Yeah, because you'd have to hike down, huh?
Yeah. Let's check it out. Sounds like it might be this way. Thank you. You know that song, Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls by Destiny's Child? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. Well, they're wrong. Chase waterfalls. They are beautiful. Let's see. Oh. There it is. There it is. They're taking a dip over there. That looks like fun. I'm gonna have to go down there. Look at them rolling. Rolling. Who's next to roll? Rolling babies and whales. Put it on. This is beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I'm gonna do one in activity so I can zoom.